Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Power BI Service detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin registering with Power BI Service, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in powerbi.com and hit enter. Once the Power BI homepage loads, locate the Sign Up Free option. Click on Sign Up Free to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to a new page prompting you to enter your email address. Type in your email address and click Sign Up. If your organization uses Microsoft 365, you may need to log in with your work credentials. Follow the prompts to enter your password if required. After logging in, you may be asked to provide additional information such as your name and role. Fill in the required fields accurately. Next, you'll be directed to a Terms and Conditions page. Read through the terms carefully before proceeding. Once you are ready, click on the Accept button to agree to the terms. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Check your email for a verification link from Microsoft. Click the verification link to confirm your email address. After verification, you will be redirected back to Power BI Service. Now, you will see options to set up your workspace. Choose your preferred workspace settings and click Create. You may also be prompted to select a country or region. Make your selection and continue. Once your workspace is set up, you will be taken to the Power BI dashboard. From here, you can start exploring Power BI Service features. You are now officially registered with Power BI Service. Congratulations, you can start creating and sharing reports and dashboards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.